In 7th century Arabia, women faced severe oppression. Female infanticide was rampant, with newborn girls buried alive to avoid shame or economic burden. Women had no rights to inheritance, education, or marriage choice, treated as property. Tribal customs denied them legal personhood, and widows were often forced into remarriage. The Quran later condemned these practices, calling them ignorance, jahiliyyah. This systemic marginalization set the stage for Islam's revolutionary reforms. The Quran transformed women's status by proclaiming their spiritual equality to men. Surah 33:35. It banned infanticide, granted inheritance rights, Surah 4:7, and required marital consent. Verses like Surah An-Nisa 4:19 commanded kindness to wives, while Surah 2:228 affirmed women's rights to divorce. Prophet Muhammad, PBH, reinforced these teachings, declaring paradise lies at the feet of mothers. The Quran's progressive laws contrasted sharply with pre-Islamic norms, establishing a legal framework for women's autonomy. Early Muslim women thrived as scholars, entrepreneurs, and leaders. Khadija, the Prophet's first wife, was a renowned merchant who proposed marriage to Muhammad, peace be upon him. Aisha narrated over 2,000 hadiths and led theological debates. Female warriors like Nusayba fought in battles. These examples reflect Quranic principles in action. Women's economic independence, Surah 432, and intellectual contributions were celebrated. Historical records show 8th century universities like Al-Qarawiyyin, founded by Fatima al-Fihri, as evidence of Islam's scholarly legacy. Today, cultural practices often distort Quranic teachings. While the Quran permits polygyny with strict fairness conditions, Surah 4:3, some misuse it to oppress women. Conversely, hijab, originally a symbol of modesty, is now politicized. Feminist scholars like Amina Wadud argue for reinterpreting verses contextually, noting Islam's core message of justice. The challenge lies in separating patriarchal customs from divine commandments, as seen in progressive reforms in Tunisia, banning polygamy, and Saudi Arabia, granting driving rights.